Hi, today we are doing a shop tour. So, welcome to my small basement shop and I will show you around. So, let's start with this. This is my lumber rack. I built it a couple of years ago. I'm usually making small stuff like clocks, cutting boards, signs, etc. So, this is the storage for these things. Let's advance to the true workhorse of this shop, and that is this laser. I bought it 2 years ago. It has more than 3,000 hours and never even made it a glitch. So I am really stunned by his performance. So you can see he can do detail work, but it is on the slow side. So I'm not doing a whole lot of things with it. So it is very suitable for me. Let's continue. Now we are entering the, let's say, main part of my shop. This is the doors I made. They still work awesome. So first we're going to this room, a small one. This is now more than storage area than the shop, but this you can find anything you need. Any screw you're missing, it's somewhere here. It is a mess, but you can find anything. This here is my paint booth, and I work mainly epoxy here. So this thing comes down, so the flies and the dust don't go to epoxy projects. This works very good. It's magnetic. So let's go to the main part of the shop that is here. So let's go from left to right. This is a great thing. It's a storage area inside the door, and you can fit a lot of small things on it. Very useful. So let's continue. This is my table saw. This is the first thing I bought from, let's say, bigger tools. This is my router table. It is operated by a hydraulic jack. Works great. My miter saw. This is something I put together. Works great. This is my dust collection, out of order currently. This is my workbench. It's covered in vinyl so the glue doesn't stick to it. This is my screws, my tool wall, and jiggy-mobs and clamps, yes. So let's talk about this. This is great. I like it very much. It is on casters. And the best feature of this is this little element here. If I put a long board through it, it can move forward. So I have a few seconds to react if something goes wrong. Very useful. Now here, this is my power hub. Here are power. We have air. This is dust collection. And these two, this one was for the dust collection, and this one is for the fans. They are loud but very effective. This thing can, in 2 minutes, it can empty every dust that's airborne in here. Very good. Now we're gonna finish off here. This is over 60 years old drill press. It was built by my grandfather in the 60s and I inherited. So I will leave you here. Thanks for watching and goodbye.